let's take a look at this example. Very first thing which we're supposed to do, we're supposed to convert the square root to the power, okay? So I'm going to write that this is equal derivative of 4z squared minus 1 to power 1/2 with respect to t. So what we're supposed to next? Next we're supposed to use this formula, okay? So, because I do not have any constant over here, okay? I'm going to simply write that this is equal. I'm going to ignore this invisible one and I'm going to go straight to the exponent because the formula says write exponent. So I have 1/2 and times u. U is the content of my parentheses. So I have 4z squared minus 1. And I have to subtract 1 from my exponent. So I have 1/2 minus 2/2. And everything has to be multiplied by the derivative of the content of the parentheses. So I'm going to write that this is the derivative of 4z squared minus 1 with respect to t. Okay, so I have 1/2 4z squared minus 1 to power negative 1/2, and this is the derivative of the difference. So this is derivative, let me do everything step by step, derivative of 4z squared over dt minus derivative of 1 over dt with respect to t, okay? Supposed to say, so this is equal 1/2 4z squared minus 1 to power negative 1/2, and we're supposed to find derivative of 4z squared. This is equal 4 times 2 times z. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. I'm not going to write it. And of course, we have to find the derivative of z with respect to t. Okay, so I have dz over dt. Okay, according to the formula, I'm supposed to find the derivative of u, okay, with respect to whatever you have at the beginning of the problem, okay, to the variable which was given at the beginning. So my u in this case is z, that's why I have to write dz over dt. So derivative of constant is equal 0, that's why I'm not going to write anything. And I have 1/2 4z squared minus 1 to power negative 1/2, and I have 4 times 2 is 8, so I have 8z dz over dt. Now, because this is multiplication and I have 2 and 8, I can reduce this fraction by 2. So I'm going to have, my fraction is reduced. I have 4z squared minus 1 to power negative 1/2 times 4z dz over dt. Okay. Now I want to convert the negative exponent to positive. So what I have to do? Simply write that this is equal 1 divided by 4z squared minus 1 to power 1/2. I'm doing everything step by step, times 4z dz over dt. Okay, so you can rewrite this as 4z over exponent 1/2 you can convert to square root. So square root 4z square minus 1, and I have dz over dt. And this is my solution to the problem.